In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use presenter notes in Canva to enhance your presentation experience. Whether you're delivering a business pitch, a school project, or a conference keynote, understanding this feature can really help you nail your presentation with poise and confidence. First things first, ensure you're logged into your account on canva.com. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account to access all the great features Canva offers. Once you're in, navigate to and open the presentation you wish to work on. It's always a good idea to have your presentation outline or key points ready beforehand so we can focus efficiently on adding relevant notes. Next, let's talk about adding notes to your slides. This is crucial for any presenter who wants to keep their presentation structured and clear. Below each slide in Canva, you'll notice an area labeled Notes. This is where you can type in additional information or reminders for your presentation. Use this space for jotting down essential talking points, data figures, or even anecdotes that you'd like to remember while presenting. The aim here is to keep your notes concise but informative enough to prompt your discussion smoothly. Remember, these notes are just for you to see and won't be shown to your audience. Once your notes are all set, you're ready to present. In Canva, you have a fantastic feature called Presenter View. To access this, simply click the Present button located on the top right of your screen and then select Presenter View. This option is instrumental because it helps you manage your presentation more effectively. Now, when you enter Presenter View, a new window will open. In this window, you'll see your current slide, so you know exactly what your audience is seeing. Beside it, you will find your presenter notes. These are the notes we edited earlier, which will act as your private script during the presentation. This feature allows you to deliver your presentation smoothly without the need to memorize everything or continuously look away from your audience to check your notes. Additionally, the presenter view gives you a sneak peek of the upcoming slide. This can be incredibly useful for anticipating what's next and ensures a seamless transition between topics or sections of your presentation. Having this foresight keeps you well prepared and helps minimize any awkward pauses or confusion. Lastly, you'll notice a timer at the corner of the presenter view. It's perfect for keeping track of your time and ensuring that you stick to your schedule, whether you're presenting individually or within a group. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to utilize Canva's presenter notes and presenter view, streamlining your presentation process for truly effective communication.